Good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. Monday morning, just after 8:30 as we record this video update, and the visible satellite shows mostly sunny skies in place across central and northern portions of the state. It's already a humid one out there, though, as dew points are around the 70-degree mark across most central Indiana reporting sites. We think highs today top out in the lower 90s, but heat indices will approach 100 degrees this afternoon with that muggy air mass in place. We've got an active week ahead, and it starts really this evening as a cold front drops in from the north. The Storm Prediction Center highlights most of central Indiana with a slight risk of severe weather today, and we look at an enhanced risk of severe weather, and this is quite ominous given some of the signals we're seeing on the models for the potential of a widespread damaging wind event, in addition a flash flood threat for Wednesday. Highs today, as mentioned, we think top out in the lower 90s. The high-resolution NAM suggests upper 80s to lower 90s. Officially, we have 92 as our forecast high this afternoon. Needless to say, regardless, it's going to be a hot, humid day, especially factoring in the dew points in the lower 70s. Most of today is dry, though. We keep an eye out for the evening and into the overnight hours for a broken band of showers and thunderstorms to drop in here from the north. A couple of these could be strong to severe. Damaging straight-line winds is the greatest concern with any thunderstorm that develops later on this evening. As we move forward, Wednesday's the day really that is circled for the potential of severe weather and localized flash flooding. And we think, we certainly have to shore up timing when it comes to Wednesday's event, and we'll do that over the next 24 hours or so. But just keep in mind that it's a potentially very active day across central and northern portions of the state, again with a widespread damaging wind threat. Also localized flooding as well, though. This is a look at precipitable water values and gives us an idea of what thunderstorms can tap into, available moisture that they could tap into. And when you see 2-inch precipitable water values and above, that is certainly indicative of very heavy rainfall potential. Wouldn't be surprised again where thunderstorms train over the same area Wednesday for localized flash flooding issues to result from that. And guys, as we look ahead, this pattern is really one that is just going to repeat itself as we close out the month and go into the month of July. The mean ridge position is going to remain across the southwest states, and that's going to put us into a rather broad northwest flow aloft. And from time to time, that's a challenging pattern as well as disturbances rotate around the periphery of the ridge to our southwest. It's a quite active pattern. It's one that's transient as well. We'll see periods of hot, humid conditions, but also periods of cooler, drier air. In between, though, is where things get active and we have to contend with heavy rain and thunderstorms. Guys, make it a great Monday. We'll be back later on this afternoon and evening with another update for you. We'll talk with you soon.